Let's do something together. Close your eyes and visualize yourself 10 years into the future. In this future, you did not learn any new skills, you did not make any new investments. You basically just sat still as the world continued to move along, progress, and pass you by. How do you feel about this future? Do you have any regrets? Now, open your eyes. The good news is that you're now back to the present day and you have those 10 years still ahead of you. What changes would you like to make now that you have visualized such a future? Well, I think there are many changes that you might want to make, but let's just look at the actionable steps that you can possibly take right now. Number one, you can take a look at your career, your industry, and number two, you can also take a look or an audit of your finances. So with respect to your career, what I would suggest is maybe simply just watching some YouTube videos, reading some news, or looking into different trends in your industry to see what some of the predictions are like 5 or 10 years out. That way you might see what skills you need to improve or level up on, or you might also see what skills you might actually need to completely obtain. Of course, no one can perfectly predict the future, but I think it's worth it to at least investigate and think about that a little bit. And then the second thing that you can do with respect to career as well is actually my preferred option is that you can talk to people in your industry and see what advice they might offer you. I like to talk to people because I think it's like a way to kill two birds with one stone. On the one hand, you can get some good advice, and on the other hand, you can also form a closer relationship with this person. And I think in the coming videos, you will hear me say quite often that your network is your net worth, right? So the more people that you know, the more connections that you have, usually tends to be the better. And now for a financial audit, what you can do can be very simple. You can just try to learn more about different ways to invest. That could be something as simple as, signing up for emails from us, even setting up a one-on-one call just to talk, right? No obligations, nothing like that. Alternatively, you can look into, again, you can talk to people in your industry and ask them, okay, do you invest? What do you invest in? And see what they're doing. Maybe they'll give you some good ideas. And once again, you can kill two birds with one stone. You can potentially get good investment advice. And on the other hand, you can, again, form a closer relationship with those people. But the final thing I would like to say is that no matter what, you need to take action. Methods are many, principles are few. The specific actions that you take, come from an infinite pool. There's so many things that you can do, but the non-negotiable in this whole equation is that you do need to take action. Haven't joined yet? Our free investing group gives you front row access to new deals and helpful investing education. Sign up today.